Using asset administration, we can format for additional assets. To do that, I'm going to go to the administrative page, select Asset Administration. Now, before I format for additional assets, I'll need to lock the system for maintenance. This is the message that our users will see. Now that the system is locked for maintenance, I'm going to go ahead and format for some additional assets. Hitting the drop down here, I'll see the assets that are available to me. In this case, we are going to add some flood protection assets. You may select one or multiple assets as you see fit. Now, to install the assets, I'll click Install. This is reminding me that the system should be locked, that background tasks should not be running, our users should not be logged in, and that we shouldn't have any integrations running at this time as they may fail. I'm going to click OK, and now the system will install the assets. Now that my assets are done formatting here, I can download the log to see the process that took place, or if I close, the screen will refresh. Had there been an error, the system would have automatically restored to the backup that was taken prior to the installation. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to put the system back into full access. And I will also need to adjust security. When new assets are added to the system, no security is granted for them, even for the administrative roles. So for each user role that needs access to those assets, I will need to enable it.